Hello, welcome. My name is Alex. This is my yoga YouTube channel. I am here with an all levels, no props required flow that will begin standing. Stand up tall. Bring the feet together. Begin to engage the core and bring awareness to the breath. Inhale, reach the arms wide and overhead. Lift up, lengthen. Exhale, swan dive forward. Let the knees stay soft. Let the entire upper body relax. Press to stand. Palms touch. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. Bump the hips forward just a little bit to open up the front of the body. Breathe in at the top. And exhale, come back to normal standing, fold forward. How long can you draw out the breath? Press to stand. Palms touch. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Step the feet wide. Knees, feet face forward, hands to hips. Fold forward over separate legs. Take your time. We're still warming up the back body. Halfway lift, long flat back, walk the hands forward slightly. Right hand down, left arm opens. Keep the feet flat. Twist. Switch, right hand down, hands to hips, stand up. Interlace your hands behind the back, roll the shoulder blades together, lift the chest, breathe in, exhale, fold. Let the hands and arms float away from you. Oh, hello, mosquito. Hands back down to the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, lengthen. Twist, right hand down, left arm opens. Switch sides. Right hand down. Hands to hips for balance. Stand up. Heels in, toes out. Bend both knees. One hand on top of each knee. You can let the shoulders shrug. Let's twist here. Dip the right shoulder forward as you press the right leg away. Left shoulder blade back. And switch. Come back to center, press the legs straight, and step to the top of the mat, feet together, palms touch. Inhale, arms reach wide and overhead. You can let the hips scoop forward a little bit, just about an inch. Feel the front of the body open. Lift out, fold forward. Bend the knees and sit all the way down. Extend your legs out in front of you. Arms lift above your head, fold forward. With a long spine, you can round if you need to. Soles of the feet face away from you. Sit up. Turn to face the long edge of the mat. Left foot in, right foot out. My favorite, left arm up and over, side body reach. Sit up. Switch out the legs. Right arm up and over. And sit up. Tabletop. Untuck the toes. Neutral spine. One cat-cow. Inhale, arch. Round exhale. Neutral. Puppy pose. Walk your hands to the top of the mat. Leave the hips over the knees. Don't bring them with you, and bring the forehead down, maybe to a block. Keep the hands flat. Shift your weight forward and all the way down to your stomach. It's not makeup. For a quad stretch, bring the right foot in first. Press the hips down. And switch. Release. Cobra. Squeeze the legs strong, lift up halfway. Using your back strength, elbows in close. And lower. Press up to a tabletop. And back to a child's pose. Right away, we're going to thread the needle. Keep the left arm extended, right arm across, palm up. Rest your forehead on the left hand. Switch so that the right ear is down. Left hand on top, middle upper back twist. And release. Switch sides. Find a little bit of strength in your left arm just when you press up. Just a little added extra fun strength. And body mindfulness, awareness, switch sides. Replace, put the left ear down. We're going to twist our middle upper back. Release. Right hand strongly helps you to come back up to a tabletop. We're going to stand up on the knees for camel pose. Modify by bringing the heels closer to you. Excuse me. We're going to reach back one hand at a time for the heels. You might also leave the hands on the lower back the whole time. Lift the gaze. Continue to breathe. Keep breathing. There goes my future jet. One hand to each hip to release and sit down on your heels. Sit up tall. Lift the arms above your head and twist to the right. Think about when you rotated before when we were standing. Try to use those same muscles. Inhale through center, lift the arms up. Twist to the left. And come back to center. Tabletop. Tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Find stillness as you lengthen the entire back body. Press the heels down, open up under the armpits, across the chest. Walk your feet to the top of the mat, feet together. Long exhale over the legs. Press to stand. Bring the palms to touch. Tree pose. Balance on the left foot. You can either kickstand the right, inner calf, skip the knee, inner thigh, half lotus is also an option. Find where you're going to go. Ooh, have not done that in a while. Try not to sink into one side. Stay evenly lifted through both hips. Find something not moving. Try not to arch the back. If you fall out, you have time to get back in. How carefully, mindfully can you replace the right foot down? Feel the release of the left leg and ankle. Maintain that lift on the right foot and switch sides. Stand on the right, lift the left. Remember, you can still come back, even if you fell. Mosquitoes. Have you tried the mosquito bite thing that I've linked below? Check it out. I think they work. Not sponsored. Let's carefully step out and stand on 2 feet. Inhale, sweep the arms wide and overhead. Open up the front of the body. Exhale, hands to heart center. Wait. Inhale, sweep the arms wide and overhead. Lift and reach. Lower the hands down. Closing breath. Inhale. Reach the arms overhead. Feel a stretch across the chest. Reach. Exhale. Lower the hands down. Close the eyes for a moment. If balance is tricky, just softly almost close the eyes and look. Just calm. Be grateful for the space you create for yourself mentally, physically. You have everything you need. Be grateful for your presence. I am so grateful for your presence. Let's blink the eyes open, see if we can actually feel the light reabsorbing. And as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. Namaste. Namaste. A little shorter practice today. I made that soup I told you about. It was good, and I filmed a short, so we'll see that. Other than that, add me on Instagram if you feel like it. And I was just going to say something else. Oh, yeah. Calm Human Life on YouTube is a channel I created with some rainstorm sounds. I just let it play in the background, like when I'm doing my admin kind of stuff or just sleeping. Blank screen. It's linked in one of my community posts, so maybe you can find it there. I might remember even to link it in this video somewhere. And remember, letting the ads play helps me to grow and like buy groceries and stuff. Thank you for your time. As always, I'm still talking. Are you still here listening to me talk? If you are, you're a good person. Where's Caesar? It is smoothie time. We're going to have spinach, banana, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, almond milk, orange juice, blended.